mount my pieces, I'm going to put them on a 14-inch cake circle. Now you don't even have to have anything this big to do it on. You can make a small circle, take a plate or top or lid off of a box, a round box, and use that. Cut the edges off and use that. Just something sturdy, something you can mount your pieces on. To start your cone, you need to make sure that you have 12 by 12 paper. And you can get 12 by 12 paper at Walmart. You can get it in Michael's. I think AC Moore has them. I've not bought it out there, but I think AC Moore has it. But these books are anywhere from $20 up with this much paper like this. Walmart has a, it's a smaller size. What Walmart has is a book that has the colors in it like this. It's an 8.5 by 11 regular sheet paper. So, but the 12 by 12 works better. You can also buy the individual sheets. Choose your color scheme. I'm gonna go with the teals, the yellows, the golds, whites, and browns. If you're gonna do a multi-layered design, you might want to choose something that has a double side to it. I have my glue gun and my Elmers glue and my double side tape. Depending on the paper weight, depends on which one I use. Some of the paper is really light and some is hard like cardstock. Your double-sided tape, you can get this in, of all places, you can get it in Dollar Tree. I think I got a pack of 3 for $1. All right, let's get started. This is a very time-consuming project. You have to take your time and get it right, so it doesn't look like it's jacked up. You take out your cake circle and you want to place your tips right in the center of your cake circle. And you want to go all the way around, side by side, just like this. Glue them down, side by side, all the way around your circle. It'll take approximately 12 cones to go around the outside of a 14-inch circle. Okay? To start off with, we're going to take our hot glue. I'm going to make a line, thin line of glue, I'm going to take and put the tip down in the center and put my hand through the middle of it. Press that glue in there. Go all the way around with my cones. Okay, so the last little third of my circle, I'm gonna take and put one diagonally right across from another one. See that? And that leaves me 2 spots to put the remaining 2. I've got my base all the way down now. So go all the way around, and from the center you want to press your cones down. So what you want to do is fill in those little lines or those slight openings between your cones. And those will all fill in once you do that. And that's the beginning of your cone design. You can go from here and put a second layer on if you want to. The second layer, I would put it in between on the lines like this. So I put it just like this, all the way around, right in the line, in between your bottom cones. And go all the way around.